Hola mis amores, this is Massive and Sparkle DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge hosted by Hillary from Old World Home. Okay, so I can see that the blue tag items are 50% off, so I'm gonna try to find the things that I will need for my DIY with the blue tag. As soon as I saw the scale, I already knew what I was going to make. I am going to make a very rustic, old vintage scale. And then you guys will see how I put all the other decor pieces that I found together to make this DIY. The first thing I did was to tape the glass part so I didn't get any paint on it. So now I'm just going to remove the paper from my sign. When I bought this sign, I thought if I removed the paper, I was able to use it for another DIY since it was such a beautiful quote, but it didn't work. It had so much glue, so I sanded it. And as you can see, the sanding didn't work at all, but it's okay. We can work with it, no big deal. And then I just painted everything white, and then on the corners, I painted it with a little bit of black. I did this because I am going to paint white on top of this again, and then when I sand it, I want to be able to see the black. As you can see here, there's a little preview, and then I'm just going to remove any paint that got on my glass with a nail polish remover, and then I'm just going to glue my pieces together. I want my piece to look very vintage, rustic, old, so I am just going to be distressing it with some sage, some gray, and black and white. I sanded all the corners, including the plastic scale. I noticed that when I sanded the plastic scale, what I painted black, it was now gray, and I wanted that black color to pop out, so I decided to go on top again, and then this time I sanded it again, but this time with the paint a little bit wet, and it made everything better. And then I'm just going to paint black the top of the scale. Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see y'all soon for the next video. Bye!